Hello YouTube, this is your host Mirza. Today I'm going to show you that how you can earn Bitcoins from Bitcoin mining website. So first we need to go to a website which is known as Wixes. As you can see that guys, this is the website. So guys, this website is giving you $3 of mining power. You can buy free $3 mining power and start working on this website. I'll provide my referral link on this video. You just click on that and sign up. It's an easy method to sign up over here. So now I will click on the start mining button. So guys, as you can see that there are 3 plans of Wixes. First plan includes Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin SV and DigiByte. Like as you guys can see that I am currently mining in Bitcoins, and the main reason of mining on Bitcoins is that you guys know that the graph of Bitcoins is going higher and higher day by day, and the worthiness of the Bitcoins is very much high these days. Bitcoins is going up, the prices of the Bitcoins are going up. So I know that this can be beneficial for me for the future. So I'll just give you a suggestion. If you want to spend that $3, I would recommend you to go with the Bitcoins machine. Most of the people go with some others coins like Doji coins and some others as well, but trust me, you need to mine with Bitcoin. This is my opinion to you, okay, personal opinion. So guys, as you can see that my coins are mining. You don't need to do anything, you just need to grab this and you need to pull it over 100%. That's it, and it will work by itself. So as you can see that there are like 3 categories. First is HSA256, the other is Script, and third one is Ethash. SHA includes these all, Script includes these. As you can see, even I have Doji coins mining. I am also mining Doji coins and they are also gonna pay me something. And Ethash, this is the Ethash, Ethereum and Ethereum Classic. This is another currencies, digital currencies. Anyway guys, so if we go back, we click on Bitcoins and we click on this arrow, it will give us full explanation that how much Bitcoins I will earn per hour, per day, per month, per 3 month, per 6 month and per year. This is the complete explanation. In the Script, as you can see, per hour, per day, per month, per 3 month, per 6 month, and this is the per year. So this is the complete guidance. They are giving you complete information regarding your mining site. So what next? How to start working? To start working, you need to purchase mining power. The power can be purchased in Bitcoins as well as in dollars, and even in these currencies as well, like Bitcoins, BCH, Doji coins, and Ethereum, and every coin you can use. Even you can use your currency, Euro, USDC or US dollars. Most of the people use dollars, okay, so I'll choose dollars. So how to buy it? So basically, first you need to top up on the website. So when you click on the balance, you can see that it's just telling you that like all the currencies, it's just giving you the options of the entire currencies you have, okay. Replenish means that the amount of coins which site generate for you or mine for you, you can spend these coins. Like if I choose Doji coins, and as you can see that I can spend Doji coins on the same machine of Doji coins by clicking on replenish, and I can buy more hash powers, and my coins will mine more faster. So basically replenish means to reinvest the money generated on the website. What does withdraw means? Withdraw means I can withdraw this 533 Doji coins to my wallet, any digital wallet. Withdraw. Exchange means I can exchange all the coins into USD or in any other currencies, as you can see Euro and USD coins. Anyway, so if I wanna deposit with Bitcoins, what I need to do is, if I click on Bitcoin and if I wanna deposit through Bitcoins, what I need to do is I need to click on the anyway, if I wanna deposit USD in the website, I'll click on the USD, and as you can see there are two methods. You can deposit through Payeer and Perfect Money. I'll suggest you to deposit through Perfect Money. Lots of people will ask me that how to deposit in money in the Perfect Money account. So guys, I'll place the video card in this video in which I have explained how to deposit money in your Perfect Money account. Okay, you don't need to worry about it. I'll prefer you to deposit through Perfect Money. You will put the amount here and you will click on the replenish. This is the minimum $5 deposit. Everyone can afford that $5 deposit. Once you do deposit, you need to go to the purchase mining power again. Now you can choose any of the category. You can choose Bitcoins category, you can choose Doji coins category or Ethereum category, whatever, but I will suggest you to go for the Bitcoins. Now you need to select the USD over here, and the money which you will deposit will appear automatically over here, and you click on the purchase mining power. That's it. In case if you wanna reinvest your stuff, you just choose that currency which is already mine in the website. Like I have Doji coins 533. I'll click on the Doji coins, and oh, this is not Doji coins, this is the Doji coins, and you can see when I click on the Doji coins, and you see that 533 Doji coins are already available, and I can buy this hash rate power. Same like I can click on BTC, these BTC are available and I can buy this power. So guys, I'm not gonna buy it because as you all know that I have already a lot of power. I'm fine with it. I don't want to buy it. So let's move to the history. So guys, as you can see that these are the powers which I have bought. Okay, and I have spent around like $100+ on the website, and you can see that my mining purchase powers, and these are my mining purchase powers. Okay, now let's move to the funds withdrawal. As you can see that so far I have taken 3 withdrawals in the form of Bitcoins directly to my wallet, directly to my Bitcoin wallet, and it is processed. Lots of people say that this is a fake website, this is scam, but it is not. As you can see that my all withdrawals are processed over here, and I haven't exchanged any currencies to US dollars or euro. Okay, so there is no data over here. So how would you take withdrawals to wallet? You simply go to withdraw, you put your withdraw address over here, and you put the amount which you wanna withdraw, and you click on the withdraw. Same goes for every other currency. It's not a big deal. Okay, now let's see the specs of the website. So guys, as you can see that the website is working for 251 days. Users are 162,443. Total amount is $770,759.54, and paid out 497,291.66. So they are still giving the withdrawals. The site is located in Australia, and they have some news sections where they update all the news regarding the website. October 21 was the last post when they posted this. Okay, they have some marketing tips. As you can see, this is the explanation. 1.2%, 1.4%. This is the amount of money you spend, and you will get more profit in percentage. You can calculate like how much money you want to spend, and you will get how much bitcoins. This is the complete calculation. Okay, partners, you can create partners, I mean referral links. This is the most important part, guys. If you want to survive in these kind of websites, you need to create referrals. If you don't create referrals, if you don't follow the referrals, this website won't last you longer. Okay, they will remove your account, because these websites work on the basis of referrals as well. So this is the main thing. And they have support section where you can ask anything and they will answer you. Like, as you can see that I have asked like 4 questions, and they have answers all of my 4 questions. You can see. So this is all about the Wixes. This is not a scam so far. It is working absolutely fine for 251 days. I've been using it. I've taken 3 big withdrawals, and that's all from my side. I hope you guys will like it. You can spend minimum deposit of like $5 and maximum deposit, all depends upon you. Just try to spend like $15 on this website, and trust me, you will earn. So you need to just show patience. I would recommend you, if you see this video, go for it. Save your bitcoins. The bitcoin price are going higher. As you can see, I'll just show you some price 1 BTC to USD. Look, the price of 1 bitcoin is almost touching 13067.30 dollars. Okay, if we convert this to PKR, you can see how much money is that. I can't even explain this. That's a lot. 20 lakhs, I guess, or more than it, if I'm not wrong. 2 million, I guess. This is 2 million. Yes, it is 2 million. And if we check it in Indian rupees, this is the condition. It is almost near to 1 million in Indian rupee. So guys, the price are going higher. You need to spend cash on bitcoins and save your bitcoins. It will be very much useful for you in the future. That's all from my side. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel. If you have any kind of confusion, you can comment. I'll answer your questions. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.